Hello everyone. My tornado warnings are going off on my phone. The cats are in the carriers. I don't know where to go, what to do. So anyway, if y'all never hear from me again, y'all know that the tornado from the hurricane got me. It's all this is spinning off of the Hurricane Beryl. And anyway, I couldn't catch two of my cats, but I wonder if anybody would miss me if I was gone. We're just now starting to get the rain, but the phone has been going off all day. So anyway, just wanted to let y'all know that if something might happen to me.